Welcome to Legacy IAS Academy. Today I am going to discuss another important topic of reasoning, that is direction test. Before solving the questions, first of all we have to understand few basics of directions. So here you have to know the basics of direction, like we have east, west, north and south. Again you should know the angle between all these directions, like 90 degree. So these are the main directions. Along with the main directions we have cardinal directions also. Cardinal directions, like we have northeast, northwest, southwest and southeast. Again between cardinal directions also we have angle 90 degree. This is the basics you should know. And second thing you should know, whenever you are moving to north, you want to move your left, that is your left. Okay, if you want to move to right, that is your right. Consider if you are going to south and then you want to move, when you are moving to north, it will be your right and it will be your left. Whenever you are going to south and then you want to move to left, it will be east will be your left and west will be your south. That things you have to understand. Consider you are going to east and you want to move to left. This will be your left and this will be your right. That things you have to understand. Now second thing is, as I told, you have to remember angle also. This is the angle, like north, south, east, west. Between north and east we have 90 degree angle, and between north, east and east we have 45 degree angle. Some basic things like these things will help you to solve the question. Second thing is, whenever you are moving clockwise directions, means you are moving like that. Consider you are going to east, you want to move to your right, then you want to move to clockwise direction, you have to move to your right. Same way, if you want to move to anti-clockwise direction, this will be your anti-clockwise direction. Again, this is your right, this is your left. Whenever you are moving, you are going to north, okay, and it will be reverse whenever you are going to south. All those things you have to understand. These are the basic things and that will help you to solve the questions also. Now again, in the same diagram again, the things will explain whenever you are going to north, what is your left and what is your right. That things you have to understand. Now come to the questions. These questions again, when you are able to make a diagram properly, then questions become very easy. Otherwise questions will be difficult. Like A is 40 meter south west of B. Okay, just draw one diagram. Consider B is here, southwest will be this is 40 meter. C is 40 meter southeast of B. This is 40 meter southeast of B. Then C is, like this is A, this is E. Like consider B have B, then this is A, this is C. Then C is in which direction of A? That is east. Again, as I told, you just draw this diagram also. We can see that C is east directions of A. So again I am telling you, try to draw the diagram very carefully. Let's see one more questions. Gaurav walk 20 meter toward north. Okay, whenever you start, like you have to think about north, south, east, west, and then you have to draw the diagram. Gaurav walk 20 meter toward north. 20 meter toward north. He then turned left. He then turned left and walked 40 meter. He again turned left and walked 20 meter. Okay. Further he moved 20 meter. Okay. Further he moved 20 meter after turning to right. Now he is going southward and he want to move right. So right will be this and left will be this. So he want to move again 20 meter. This is 40 meter and then this is the starting point P. Now it has reached here. So how far he from his original position? 20 plus 40, it will be 60. So answers will be 60. Again and again I am telling you, try to draw the diagram very carefully. If you are able to draw the diagram very carefully, you are able to get an answer. If you are considering right is this side, left is this side, it will become somewhere here, you are not able to get an answer. Now come to the one more questions. After walking 6 kilometer, I turned right and covered a distance of 2 kilometer. Okay. After walking 6 kilometer, now here consider you can start and then turn left and cover a distance of 10 kilometer. In the end, I was moving toward north. From which direction did I started my journey? Okay. So in this particular question, either you can start from the last or we can start in any directions. Consider after walking 6 kilometer. Okay, 6 kilometer. I turned right. So right will be this and covered a distance of 2 kilometer. Then again turned left and covered a 10 kilometer. Okay. In the end, I was moving toward north. Okay. In this diagram, we are moving toward east. So we know that, okay, this is north, this is east, this is west, and this is south. So how much angle we have to move? 90 degree. Okay. Now because I am going toward north, so is this entire diagram we have to move toward 90 degree. If we move this diagram toward 90 degree, automatically in which direction I am going? I am going toward north. Got it? So it simple means we can start from anywhere and finally we have to think what the question is telling. Question is simply telling at the end the person is moving toward north, but as per our diagram person is moving toward east. So east to north the person has to move 90 degree. So this entire diagram I have to move toward 90 degree. If I am moving toward 90 degree, definitely person is moving first, he is moving 6 kilometer, then turned left, okay, and then turned and then first turned right and then turned left. Okay, this is the north. Now you can see one more question. My friend and I started walking simultaneously toward each other from two places 100 meter apart. After walking, okay, my friend and I started walking simultaneously toward each other from two places 100 meters apart. Okay, this is the two places 100 meter. Okay, after walking 30 meter, like consider me and friend. After walking 30 meter, my friend turned left. So left will be this side and goes 10 meter. Then he turns right and goes again 20 meter. Okay. Then turns again right and come back to the road. Okay. It means again 10 meter more. So till here, how much kilometer he has covered? He has covered 30, 40, 60, 70. Okay. If we are walking same speed, if your friend has covered 70 meter, you also covered 70 meter. So here, like now we have this 20, this is 50, this is 50 again. So me also, first I will cover 50 and then I will cover 20 more. I will be somewhere here. My friend will be here, I will be here. So distance between me and my friend will be 20 meter. Got it? So again, these questions become very easy if you are able to make or you are able to draw the diagram very carefully. So ultimately, the direction test questions based on diagram. So you have to focus diagram very well. Now come to the one more questions. These questions again A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, R, 9 houses. Okay. C is 2 kilometer east of B. Okay. C is, I can draw here, C is 2 kilometer east of B. B 2 kilometer east of B. Okay. A is 1 kilometer north of B. A is 1 kilometer north of B. H is 2 kilometer south. H is 2 kilometer south of A. G is 1 kilometer west of H. G is 1 kilometer west of H, while D is 3 kilometer east of G, while D is 3 kilometer east of G. F is 2 kilometer north of G. F is 2 kilometer. F is 2 kilometer north of G. I is situated just in the middle of B and C. So here we have one person I, B and C, while E is just in middle of H and D. So here we have E. So if you are able to draw this diagram very carefully, all the questions can be solved easily. So again I am focusing to give more emphasis to draw the diagram. Distance between distance between E and G, it is 2 kilometer. Distance between A and F, it is again 1 kilometer. Distance between E and I, again 1 kilometer. Okay. So if you are able to draw the diagram, then you can solve the questions very easily. Now come to the one more question. A person traveled 12 kilometer due north, 12 kilometer due north, then 15 kilometer due east, then 15 kilometer due west, again came back, then 18 kilometer, like person traveled 12 kilometer north, 15 kilometer east, then 15 kilometer west, then 18 kilometer south. He is here. Okay. How far he is from starting point? Okay, so where he has started? He has started from here and he came to here. How far away he is from starting point? That is 6 kilometers. So again I have focused more about the diagram. Try to work on the diagram. If you are able to draw the diagram very carefully, these direction test questions become very easy. So thank you for watching the video. Maybe I will include more UPSC question in the later videos of the reasoning. As of now, I am giving the basic concept. If you are able to understand the basic concept, try to solve the UPSC questions. And again, thank you for watching the video.